Hi, it's me again with Corel Drone Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on this, and I'm going to show you how you could get rid of these double hairlines that you've got here that would both cut out if you ever have this scenario. So I've set my dunch distance pretty high at 12 inches. I'm going to grab my shape, and I'm going to go up to a range, and I'm going to break curve apart. And then I'm going to click on the inside one and hit delete. Then you can move this up, and you should have a hairline. Well, I actually deleted the wrong one, looks like. Yep. Sometimes that's kind of hard to see. And that's a good trick. A lot of times what I'll do, let's go ahead and break this apart or get rid of it. Let's take the top one. So here's a smaller version. Whenever I go to contour, I'm going to go to Effects, Contour. I'm going to contour the same amount, but this time I'm going to contour in black. And this is one of the reasons, because that way if it's really fine, you'll know which was which. And then you go to range and break contour apart. And right down here it shows you that you've clicked on the red hairline versus the black hairline. So if we want to get rid of the red hairline, we click on it, make sure we're on it, hit delete. Now I would make this red, just so you remember that it's a cut line, and then nudge this back up. I hope that helped a little bit. And there's another way to do it. Let's say you went too far and you got rid of all that, and all you have is your outline with no pen tool. You can go Control D and make a duplicate of that, put it down, go to Arrange, break curve apart, select all that and hit a boundary, and then move your boundary up. So now we have a cut line just like we had before. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.